In this video, I will be showing you how to install and use Jupyter Notebook with Anaconda. So let's get started. So first, let's install Anaconda. So for that, just search for it and we'll be having the official link. Select it. At the top, we are having the download option. Select it. Click on Get Started. We need to sign in, so just do that. After that, we'll be getting choose your download. We are having for Windows, Mac and Linux. So just select Mac, and here we'll be having Anaconda distribution. Just click on this graphical installer. The download will be getting started. It is around 839 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it and click on Allow. We'll be getting this install Anaconda. Click on Continue and click on Continue here also. Just read it and continue. Click on Agree, and this requires 5.68 GB of space, so make sure that you are having it. Continue. If you want to change the location, you can. I will just select install. Just enter your system password and the installation process will begin. Just be patient. We'll be getting installation is completed. Click on close. Just select move to bin. Just go to apps, and if you type Anaconda, we'll be having it. Open it. We'll be getting the Anaconda navigator interface, and here we'll be having the launch option for Jupyter Notebook. Just click on this launch and we'll be getting Jupyter Notebook opened in this particular localhost path in the browser. And here you can either create a new folder or you can go inside any existing folders. And here just select new. We are having this Python 3. Click it, and this will create as a new untitled .ipynb file. So here we can run the Python code. For example, I'll just go with print hello, and we can simply click on this run icon. As you can see, we have got the output over here, and to save it, here we are having the save icon. Save it, and that is done. And if you want to rename it, go to file, rename, and you can just have demo, rename, and it has been renamed. If you want to change the theme, here we are having the Jupyter Lab Dark. The theme has been changed, and we are also having many other options over here. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.